Hello! You are obviously interested in Box Clever Enterprise, so let us show you how it works. Any new or emerging social enterprise or community business needs to decide upon its legal structure. Box Clever Enterprise provides an informative, engaging and enjoyable approach to learning that is suitable for use in a wide variety of settings, and comes with easy-to-use instructions. Box Clever Enterprise could be any social enterprise or community business. It could be a fragrant florist. It could be a community newsletter. It could be a vegetable stall called Veggie-tastic. Or it could be a youth venture. The first thing they needed to decide was whether they wanted to be incorporated with limited liability or unincorporated with unlimited liability. Let us consider that they first decide to look at the incorporated legal structure route. There are four main types of incorporation: community interest company, charitable incorporated organisation, limited company, and a mutual or registered society. And the teacher, lecturer or trainer will explain each one in turn. The next thing they need to decide is their type of organisation. If they've chosen to be a community interest company, the type of organisations they would consider becoming will be this. If they have chosen to be this, the type of company would be this, and so forth around the sides, and the teacher, lecturer or trainer will explain each in turn. And the process continues from their governing and legal documents, governing body, to registration. The teacher, lecturer or trainer will naturally explain that this is a long process, but that this is worthwhile because they will get more investment. And so to recap, you decide on your form of incorporation, then the type of organisation, the governing and legal documents, then your governing body, and finally the registration. And to recap further, if you were incorporated as this, your type of organisation will be this: your governing and legal documents here, your governing body and your registration here. And to recap further, your form of incorporation here, your type of organisation here, your governing and legal documents here, your governing body here, and your registration is here. If they decide to take the unincorporated unlimited liability route, again there are four main types of unincorporation. Using the colour coding, the teacher, lecturer or trainer will guide you through the process from unincorporation to governing body. The benefit of this teaching resource is that the teacher, lecturers, trainers or community development staff can decide on the depth of information that they wish to present, making it suitable for all ages and abilities. It also has the asset of embracing 6 different learning styles, making it a very informative and very engaging learning experience for all. Box Clever Enterprise is also available as Box Clever Business, showing commercial or community business legal structures. Do you box clever?